Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 9. This topic is, of course, about effective communication, written communication, and communication in the workplace. I think you're going to get a lot out of this chapter. There's some interesting videos and interesting lecture, I think, and then just a broad overview of what effective communication looks like around your peers, professional settings, of course, written communication in relation to how do I write effectively, and further, how to prepare yourself for your upcoming APA presentation and your APA paper that's due. So make sure you review everything in this module. Of course, you have a PowerPoint, effective communication in the workplace. You also have a lecture, which is about 15 minutes long, and then a great sample video from Simon Sinek, which we looked at last week as well. Different video this time. It's about effective communication skills. And then further, a week 9 review, which is same as week 8. Make sure you do your initial post. And then Sunday by midnight, have a reply in there for your peers. But if you have any questions related to this week's lecture, please reach out and let me know. In week 12, we have our APA paper and presentation due. Now, you won't have to, of course, present in front of people, but you're going to have to record yourself. So start preparing, thinking about what you want to say, and having your paper ready. Remember, I can review your paper if you send it to me in relation to APA format. I'm not going to be able to edit and change your actual research, but I can help you with the formatting. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you have a good weekend, and I look forward to learning a little bit more about what you think about this module. Thanks so much.